Are you planning of moving to Schengen area, but your key problem is how to book your appointment? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can book for Germany visa appointment, that is for Schengen. If you're going for a Schengen visa to Germany, I'm going to show you guys how you can book your appointment easily. If today happens to be your first time coming across my video, you are welcome to Pathway to Abroad. We do videos on how you can relocate to your dream country, either through job, through schools, studies, or through visas. So without wasting much of your time, I'll be taking you through the website where you can book your German Schengen visa appointment. So if you go to your browser, just enter German Embassy Accra and you see book an appointment for visa purposes. Okay, so you tap on book an appointment for visa purposes. This is very quick and very short. We are going to do it quickly. So just go through all this information that they have provided here. Make sure you read. Okay, appointment for Schengen visa and airport. So here, visits of relative or friends, business trip, attendance of conference or training, visits of trade fair, medical treatment, and attendance of sports or other competitions. Okay, so if you want to apply, you see registration for Schengen visa appointment on the waiting list. For now, for Germany, you can't book appointment. You need to be on the waiting list before you can get an appointment date. So let me show you guys how you go about it. So what you have to do is to just hit on the link there, and this is where it is going to take you to. So the moment you reach here, what you have to do is to hit on continue. You hit on continue and it is going to take you to this place. It is very easy to do it. You don't need anyone to help you, but if you can't do it and you need me to help you with your Schengen visa appointment, you can link up with me and I'll be able to help you get Italy appointment is available. So if you need one, just link up with me. Then you hit on new appointment. Now, the moment you hit on new appointment, this is what you are going to see. List registration for short-term visa, that is Schengen visa. That is waiting list. You have to be on the late waiting list. So the first one is to provide your first name. You go in with your first name. So you enter your first name, your last name. You provide your email address here. Just provide your email address. And then after providing your email address, what you have to do is to go in for your purpose of travel. Then you state the purpose of your travel. If your purpose is to attend a conference or to visit a friend for medicals, you just have to state it. And then passport number, make sure you provide your passport what number. Then the next one will be your reference in Germany. That is the person that you are going to stay with or someone who invites or the organization who invites you. You write the name of the organization there and then the address of the reference in Germany. You provide the address of the reference in Germany or the organizations. So if you're going for tourism, what you have to do is to provide your reference in Germany. You provide the hotel name and then you provide the address of the hotel where you will be lodging. Then after that, you need to enter the date here. Then you submit your application. So that is that. That is how you book for Schengen visa to Germany. How you can fill your form for the waiting list. And if the appointment is there, you'll be able to get your appointment date. See you in the next video. Bye bye.